Hey guys, welcome. What the heck? Welcome to the channel. Um, why did I just scan out like that? I'll never know. But we're belling this field. We've chopped some green grass for silage, and well, we've done some things today already. So let's get started. We're getting this done. It does seem like the tractor noise is a little louder than normal. I don't know what that's about, but hope you can hear me, being that it just not. Oops. Uh, that my voice doesn't seem to get louder, and I cannot figure that out yet. But yeah, we're baling some hay. I got a new chopper, and then when I get up here by the barn, we'll uh, we'll stop for a minute, um, just because I want to show you the new chopper and stuff. Um, we have a big V rake, and it's. I'll dump this bell out first before I shut it down. Um, and these windrows are humongous. Yeah, it's turn. All right, let's show you some things. We got a new chopper, and so far the equipment that I've been getting was the link to my other video that when I had the loader and stuff and that mower. The chopper's sitting over here. We gotta do some cleaning to it. Well, it's a little dirty. Um, but here it is. It's this International. I forget the model number. The link on my last video is where this came from. I kept some of the John Deere heads I had. One to pick up grass or ear leach. Um, we're going to clean it up. We're going to add some more fluid in that tank. Um, Probably grease it. Get ready for corn harvest. Now, we do have something we got to get in the shop and do some work on. Um, it just might be a little more difficult than we would like. We may have to pull it in, um, or something. And also, there's a change of the pickup truck, and I'll tell you that once I get there. Uh, we went to the dealership. Well, there's the twine for the baler. We got to unload that. I just took one out of it and kept going. And for really cheap was this 4020. Uh, it needs a basically an engine overhaul. It leaked all engine out, so all engine oil. So we're gonna have to tear it apart and all this, but so it doesn't run. Um, but it would be nice to have another cabless tractor around, um, and it could help with some odds and ends stuff around. So we're going to work on that now. Chevy truck. I had to go with this 2011, so I'm going to be driving newer than most of the equipment, but there's a reason. Every truck that I've tried to use has gave me fits of some sort. It would lag it down in a conflict kind of thing, or like my other one I just had, it had the gooseneck, it had the the ball on the back, but nothing hooked up to it. So I got this. It worked. Um, it squatted a little bit with that tractor there. I mean, it did, but it's working for what I need it to do. I do need to run and get. I have a gooseneck bale trailer there. I'll have to grab eventually. Um, that's that's run. I don't want to think that gator was almost out of fuel, and that's not. Have they got the milk yet today? No, it's not going to tell me there. Um, whoa, passed it. No, they have not. We got 6,000 liters of milk in there, so. Oh, wait a minute. We may have to deliver that. We also need a slurry tank. Oh, my Lana. Um, well, let's let's grab my nice dandy phone. We'll go here. Um, slurry tanks. I mean, we have the money. I hope. Um, well, this will run with what we have. I want to. Oh no, we don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. That one would work because oh, I don't want folding. I want dual. Yeah, that one right there will work. Firestone, standard, old tank. Um, that one will work because of how that barn is. We don't need work lights. Let's get an extra strobe on there. We do need a side ladder. No, we don't need that. Brake system, yes. Activate. No, we want not that one. We want that one. We want that. Well, for 40,000, we'll, we'll we'll pick that up when that gets there. Now we need to haul milk. So let's go here and see what's here. The the one problem we're gonna run into is really hauling the milk. Um, because we got to be able to haul a big load at one time, but I don't have a semi. Um, so oh yeah, I forgot I got that one. Um, sorry, squirrel moment. Those won't be big enough, even though I could do it. No, I can't. Hmm. So it looks like okay. Here's they won't haul milk. This would haul just water. This will haul milk, water, herbicide, and all that. Same with this. Um, that's not the one I wanted to hit on, but Do I want to use the pickup truck to haul milk? It holds, well, yeah, we can do that. It doesn't need that. All that would work. So we'll pick that up once it comes into. That means on a daily basis, I will have to run milk until we can, well, get um a semi. But yeah, we're Holsteins, Brown Swiss. Everything seems to be doing okay. So um it will save, but I'll show you where we chop the grass. At least I'm assuming. Um, okay, it won't let me do anything. So let's hope it doesn't act up. Every once in a while, when it does that, next you know it goes into save, and I got to start over. So let's go back to baling hay. There's a green field all the way in the back, and I don't know what will happen. I may have to restart and come back to you guys. Um, I'm got a loaner computer right now, and sometimes it does some weird stuff. I've got to really look into more. Um, that well, let me get back to you. Welcome back. I had to restart everything. I'm gonna check into that because I really don't know why that happens. And I used to think it was a mod, but it really doesn't matter what I have in. That's why I say I think it's something running wise on this loaner computer, and I need to figure it out, find out, kind of thing, because if my other one's not going to get fixed, then I need to do some updates. And this is where I think that 4020 may work out because it's a little bit higher. And this Alice is not as tall. So with these um, windrows being as big as they are, I need um, a little taller tractor, but not in a sense horsepower wise either, just to do this. Because I've got a lot of hay fields, and it's definitely kicking them out. As you can see, I'm up to 6, 5, somewhere around there. Um, so we're gonna finish this field for at the end of the day. Um, may go get a load of some sort of fertilizer to put on the field we just chopped today, um, and all that. But it may not be the full length that I normally do for a video, guys, but it's a video. Between my new job, family life, and the farm we have, which I may start doing some shorts with that in the shop, what I have an Alice at, and all this. So be prepared for that. That's kind of down the line. Um, I'm hoping to get more videos out there each time. It's just Sunday mornings seem to be a morning that I can record. I can play through the week, maybe an hour here or there, but never enough to get a fully ahead. I mean, I started my last video started on this same day, and as you can see, I'm not very far. So just bear with me, guys. I'm still working on juggling both and getting that far. And our county fair where we show cows um, is in 2 weeks, so we definitely have a lot going on. Um, so just bear with me. We'll uh, we'll get this good, and I don't know why it struggles picking up at this end. It says I don't own that area, but I don't know. Anyhow, hope this video turns out okay. Hope you have a good Sunday and or had a good weekend. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.